Okay, let's look at this example 1. I've got f of x and I've got g of x, and now I've got to get fg of x. Okay, well the first thing we need to do is put the missing brackets in. So fg of x means f brackets g of x. Okay, now I've got to decide what this is. Well, this is f of bracket. It's not g of bracket, it's f of bracket. So let's think about what f of bracket is. So f of bracket, let's not fill them in yet. Okay, f of bracket is well, f of x is 2x, so f of bracket must be 2 bracket. This is the way to think about it without getting the functions in the wrong order. Yeah. So concentrate on the outside function. F of bracket is just look at what f of x does. Forget g of x to begin with. That's how you get that f of bracket is 2 bracket. Now fill in the bracket. Okay. So g of x is x squared. So I've got an x squared in this bracket. So I've therefore got an x squared in this bracket. Whatever goes in that bracket, same thing goes in this bracket. So 2 times the bracket x squared is 2x squared. That is fg of x, and that's my answer. Okay, so same logic on this one. Gf of x. First thing, put in the missing brackets. So g brackets f of x. Now, is this f of a bracket or is it g of a bracket? It's g of a bracket. So it's g of a bracket. Okay, now how do I decipher g of a bracket? I don't need to know what f does, I need to know what g does. So g of x is x squared. So g of bracket must be bracket squared. Now I can fill in the bracket. So what's inside the bracket? F of x. What's f of x? 2x. So the thing inside the bracket here is 2x. So the thing inside the bracket here is 2x. So the answer is 2x in a bracket squared. But we can say that g of f of x equals, if you do 2x times 2x and you get 4x squared, so we can see that f of g of x is not the same thing as g of f of x. I could write g f of x here and it would mean the same thing. So there's this example 2 you probably got to look at. Why not have a go at that before you watch the other video and see if you can come up with all the right answers.